No gym? No problem. If you're looking to burn fat, lose weight, and boost your energy, all from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. You don't need fancy equipment or endless hours to see real results. What you need is consistency, intensity, and the right moves that target fat loss efficiently. Today, we're breaking down 10 powerful fat-burning exercises you can do right in your living room, bedroom, or even a small corner of your home. These are high-impact, bodyweight movements that ignite your metabolism, sculpt your muscles, and torch calories long after you're done. Whether you're a beginner or you're getting back into fitness, these exercises are scalable, effective, and proven to help you shed excess fat and feel amazing. We're starting with the classic jumping jacks. It might seem simple, but it's a full-body movement that instantly gets your heart rate up. Jumping jacks activate your legs, core, and arms, and they're a perfect way to warm up the body for the workout ahead. Just 30 to 60 seconds of these will have your blood pumping and your metabolism kicking into gear. Next, we move into high knees. This exercise targets your core and legs while keeping your heart rate elevated. Drive your knees up to your chest as fast as possible, engaging your core with every lift. It's a cardio powerhouse that burns calories quickly and gets your entire body moving. Then we have bodyweight squats, one of the best moves for fat loss and muscle toning. Squats target the largest muscle groups, your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, which helps burn more calories even at rest. Make sure to keep your chest up and go as deep as you can with good form. Following that, let's talk about mountain climbers. This one's a combo move, part core workout, part cardio burner. It mimics running in a plank position, engaging your abs, shoulders, and legs while also giving your heart a challenge. The faster you go, the more fat you melt. Aim for bursts of 30 to 45 seconds to start seeing the difference. Next up, push-ups. They're not just for upper body strength, they also fire up your core and elevate your heart rate when done in rapid sets. Even if you modify them on your knees, push-ups build lean muscle and support fat burning by increasing overall body strength. Then come jump squats, a more advanced variation of the basic squat. Jump squats are explosive and intense, helping build power in your lower body while torching calories. If you're looking for that afterburn effect, these are your go-to. They push your muscles and lungs, leading to higher calorie burn long after you finish. Now we hit burpees, the ultimate full-body fat-burning move. Love them or hate them, burpees work everything. Legs, arms, chest, core, and cardio. They're tough but efficient, and even just a few reps can leave you breathless. If you only had time for one exercise a day, burpees would be a solid choice. Then there's the plank, which might not look like much, but it's a core-scorching, full-body isometric hold that builds strength and stability. Holding a plank for 30 seconds to a minute helps tighten your abs and protect your spine, which is critical for every other movement. We're almost there. Next is bicycle crunches. This move targets your obliques, lower abs, and coordination. It's one of the most effective abdominal exercises for trimming your waist and improving core definition. Keep the motion controlled and intentional for maximum burn. And finally, we finish strong with the skater jump. This lateral movement is great for your legs, balance, and core, and it's a refreshing break from traditional up-and-down cardio. It mimics a speed skater's movement and burns fat by pushing your body in a new, functional direction. There you have it, 10 dynamic, fat-burning exercises you can do at home, no equipment necessary. These moves target multiple muscle groups, elevate your heart rate, and keep your body in fat-burning mode even after the workout is done. You can do them in circuits, mix and match them, or challenge yourself by increasing time or reps each week. The key is staying consistent, pushing yourself a little more each time, and pairing your workouts with smart nutrition and proper rest. Remember, your body is your gym, and it's never too late to start. If this video motivated you to get moving and start your home workout journey, please like it, share it with a friend who's ready to feel stronger, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness content that's easy to follow, science-backed, and made to fit your life. Thanks for watching. Now get up, get moving, and go crush that workout.